What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the ETH Beans. The project went live 3 days ago, and in today's video I'm going to cover everything you should know about this project, and also I'm going to make a live deposit and show you a step-by-step tutorial how to play about with this project. Okay, before I jump into this project, let me just give a shout out to the team behind this project, because they not only built 1, 2, 3, 4 projects, and they have so many projects, 5, okay, and 6, okay. They have 6 projects, okay. The oldest project is 241 days old, okay, and still going. 910k inside the smart contract, okay guys. So this team is definitely here to stay. That's why they are building this huge ecosystem. Okay, so last time I covered a project about this team was this one right here. I'm still in it, and the project still up and running 29 days later. Okay, still up and running and doing its thing. So today's video we are going to talk about the ETH Beans by Thoreum. Okay, and as you can see right here, we have another project on the way from this amazing team. Okay, so we will have the USD Beans by Thoreum. Okay, so we'll be live in 25 minutes. Okay, so more about that in the future. So for now we are going to talk about the ETH Beans. So what ETH Beans? So ETH Beans, it's a fork of Baked Beans version 2, but with some changes to help the contract be more sustainable and last for really long time, like the previous projects. Okay, so currently they have 2 promotions going on. So 100k USD airdrop to lucky winners. So how to win this one? You come over here, you click on that. So you click over here, click here, and it will take you to this page. Okay, so when you land on this page, you will have a few tasks to do. Okay, so you will have to do all these tasks, and then once you complete these tasks by February 7th, okay, you will be entered the draw. Okay, once the lucky winners periods to enter this campaign expires, they will pick 3 winners. Okay, and over here we have 3 prizes. Okay, so first prize will win 500 USD, second prize 150, and third to 9th prize will earn 50 BUSD. So essentially 9 people will be selected and win some airdrops. Okay, simple. Okay, you don't have to do much. As you can see right here, the tasks are very easy. And the second one, it's the mega giveaway, 161k. Okay, so again, click over here and it will take you to this page, and you can see how can you enter this giveaway and how can you make money and potentially win a huge prize. Okay, so over here you have the tasks. You have 15 ways to enter. Okay, you have to complete the tasks and all that. Okay, so shout out to the team for putting out these promotions. Okay, so let's have a quick look about the ETH Beans. Okay, even though it's ETH Beans, that doesn't mean you have to play with this project on ETH network. As you can see right here, it's on Binance smart chain. Okay, so you can use your ETH on this project, but you can also use different coins. You can use ETH, BNB, BUSD, Thoreum ETH, Thoreum Libera, etc. Okay guys, that doesn't mean particularly you just have to use ETH. You can use any of these coins right there. Okay, so first things first, you have to connect your wallet. You come over here, you connect your wallet, MetaMask will pop up, and then you just hit confirm. So you connect your wallet, and as you can see right here, my wallet is connected, so that means I am good to go. With this project, you can earn from 3% all the way to 6%, and remember, these 3% to start with are fixed. Okay, this 3% is fixed. Okay, and you can increase your daily APR by doing certain tasks. Okay, so more about that in a minute. As you can see right here, the contract balance is currently 23.5 ETH. okay, which is worth 37.3k. Okay, so this is the day number 3. Like I said to you, total users 173, and over here we can see my investments. Obviously I haven't invested anything yet, but I am about to make my investment so you can see how everything plays along. Okay, the coin that I'm going to select is BUSD, so you click on BUSD. Okay, as you can see right here, it will show you the balance on my wallet, 100 BUSD. So what I will do is I'm going to select 100 BUSD. Remember guys, the minimum deposit is for BUSD is 14.95. Let's call it 15 bucks. Okay, so if you select BNB, okay, well, actually the minimum deposit is, let's say, 15 bucks. Okay, for any coin that you select, the minimum is, let's say, 15 bucks. Okay, so minimum deposit is 15 bucks, and the maximum, I'm not sure if there is a maximum. Let's have a quick peek at the white paper real quick, and let's see if there is any maximum. I'm not sure. I don't remember seeing a maximum somewhere. Okay, no, this is maximum withdraw. Minimum, maximum. So maximum is 30k. Okay, minimum is $15 and maximum is 30k. Okay, so once you select the coin that you want to roll with, okay, you enter the amount and then you have to approve. Okay, so you hit approve, MetaMask will pop up. Okay guys, so once MetaMask pops up, okay, you can see, you know, the coin that we are interacting with. And over here, it's about permission to access your BUSD. I always say on my videos, please edit the permission. Don't give 100% permission to have full access to your funds, okay? So all you have to do is come over here, edit this permission, okay? And because I'm going to deposit 100 BUSD, all right, I'm going to give permission to have access to all 101 BUSD. So MetaMask is a bit slow. Let me see what's up. Okay, so when you click edit permission, okay, as you can see right here, you have edited permission. Okay, so you come over here and you select customize spend limit, then enter 1. Oh, damn it, this is slow today. As you can see right here, you enter 101 and then you hit save. Okay, so when you hit save, it means you're only allowing the smart contract to use maximum of 101 BUSD. Okay, with the scroll all the way down and you hit confirm. Okay, so just confirm on MetaMask. So I'm just waiting for the confirmation for this approval. Okay, and once I receive the confirmation from MetaMask, I will be okay to, instead of making an approval, I will be then making a deposit. Okay, so we're just waiting for this to load up, and once this loads up, okay, I'll be able to deposit this 100 BUSD. And there you have it. So now I don't have the approval, now I have Beans. Okay, so Beans means I will use my 100 BUSD, and what's going to happen is the platform automatically will convert my 100 BUSD into Thoreum ETH LP. Okay, and that's what's going to happen right now. So let me go ahead and buy these beans. And there you go, guys. Transaction went through. Okay, my deposit is done. Okay, so if we scroll up, now we can see that my investment is right here. Bear in mind, every time you deposit and withdraw, there are some taxes involved. Okay, I'm going to cover those taxes in a minute. Okay, so my 100 BUSD minus the taxes equals this one right here, 1.52 LP, okay, or 94.35 bucks. Okay, my maximum return is going to be 300% ROI. Okay, so that means I will make 3x from my deposit right here, which equals 283.03, okay, or 4.55 LP tokens, right? And over here we can see my beans. Okay, scrolling down now, we can see my statistics, my withdrawn, my compounds, pending rewards, and my daily rewards. Okay, over here we can see that I'm earning 3% per day. Okay, I haven't withdrawn anything because I just started, right? So it's 0, 0, and over here we can see that I have 0.00003 LP, which is worth 0.01 dollars. Okay, over here we have two functions: rebake or eat the beans. So rebake means compound, and eat the beans means withdraw. Okay, you can only rebake or compound once per 24 hours. Okay, the minimum compound is 0.008 ETH or 12.46 bucks or 0.2 Thoreum ETH LP. Your last rebake was in 1 minute and 1.95 minutes ago. Okay, so as you can see right here, in order for me to rebake, I rebake, I need a minimum of 12.46 bucks. Okay, you can see it right here. So for me, I'm gonna be earning $3 per day, right? So I will need 4 days. So I'll be rebaking every 4 days, right? And as you can see right here, time passing / ETH. Okay, over here it gives you all the statistics. Okay, so very important statements right here. We have some withdrawal taxes. Okay, because the team built this project to make it sustainable. That's why we have the withdrawal taxes. Okay, and let's scroll down and let's see the withdrawal taxes. Okay, withdrawal taxes right here. Okay, so day one. So 24 hours later, if you decided to eat your beans, you'll pay 90% tax. Okay, day 2, you'll pay 80% tax. Day 3, you'll pay 70% tax. And as you can see, as the days go by, okay, the tax goes down by 10%, decreases every day 10%. Okay, and day 11 is day 10 is where you gonna eat the beans without paying any taxes. If you miss this day 10, that means you will go back to day 1. Okay, so day 11 will be like day 1. So if you eat your beans on day 11, you'll pay a 9% tax. Okay, if you eat your beans on day 12, you'll pay 80% tax, and so on. Okay, so it's very important so you can time this very well. Okay, because if you miss this day, you will go back to day 1, and then you have to wait another 10 days to eat your beans. Okay, and over here we got some facts. Okay, total deposit, total withdrawal, total compounds, and daily rewards. Okay, scrolling down, I already explained to you these, the minimum, the maximum. Okay, and right, so every time you deposit, you'll pay 8% tax. Okay, and every time you withdraw, you will pay 8% tax. Half of which will be distributed to 30 bank lockers, half will be used for marketing. The contract is fully decentralized, audited, and it was stamped by Mr. Stamp. Okay, John Stamp audited the Ethereum Beans by Thoreum team. Okay, so I will cover that Stamp in a minute. Okay, they also offer a referral system. One referral system. All you gotta do is make your deposit, and then you come over here, copy that link, share with your family, friends, social media. Whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will earn 5% each time somebody uses your referral link. Okay, and you have the Beantastic referrals. Okay, so if you want to increase your daily APR, okay, you will have to boost your referrals. Okay, so 0 to 9 referrals, you will get 3% total the rewards. Okay, so 10 to 24 referrals, you will increase your daily APR by 0.5%, which will be total of 3.5% daily rewards. Okay, and all the way down 250 plus referrals, you will be earning 6% daily APR. Okay, that's insane, right? So for me, that's like that's crazy, right? 6% daily, and on top of that 250 referrals. That's a lot of dough. Okay, you have to be huge. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see the Thoreum ETH chart. Okay, let's flick it to 4-hour chart and let's see how the chart looks like. And as you can see right here, it's steady growing, going up and up and up. Okay, and I don't believe it's gonna stop there. Alright, so that's just my opinion, not financial advice. Okay, down here is where you can see the socials, docs, smart contracts, Twitter, TG. So Telegram group is big. Okay, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, and they will have a few more channels. Okay, because this is a huge ecosystem, so they need different channels. Okay, and they have been stamped by George Stamp. Okay, the overall score is 73 out of 100. Very important thing right here, there is no backdoors, and team trust 100%. Okay, because you know they are building a huge ecosystem, right? So they've been rolling with all these projects for 241 days, the oldest project. Okay, and still up and running with 910k. Okay, and over here is where you have a summary about how the project works. Okay, so I would highly recommend you to come over here and read the audit so you can understand how everything works. Okay, and lastly, we have the docs right here, and they have a cool feature, which is the smart break mechanism. Okay, so as a result, all investors will have more time to continue earning and decide on the best strategy for each investment. This mechanism applies for each stake or investment separately. Okay, so this smart break mechanism will allow for investment that has not reached 110% to ROI, okay, to continue to earn 3% to 6% daily, okay, until you reach 110%. Okay, also for already profited investments, okay, from 110% ROI onwards, okay, this smart break mechanism will decrease the APR, and the APR will be between 150 and 300%, okay, to give a chance to people that have not ROI to ROI, okay, and this will attract new investors, okay, because you know this function is here to slow down the people that have already ROI got in first, okay, and give a chance to people that got late to ROI as well, okay. But yes, guys, I would then again recommend you to come over here with the docs. We got some FAQs, etc. Okay, so in simple words, okay, guys, this project is very simple to interact with. Okay, but this video is like 18 minutes long now because I wanted to explain step by step how everything works. Essentially, come over here, you select the coin. So first you connect your wallet, you select the coin that you run and roll with, you approve, and then you get those beans. Okay, so once you get those beans, you are rolling. Okay, and then you have two functions: rebake or ETH. So remember, guys, for you to pay 0% tax on your ETH Beans, on your withdrawals claims, you will have to compound 7 days straight. Okay, well, 9 days straight. On the 10th day, your withdrawal tax will be 0. You can see right here. Okay, and then you can eat your beans without worrying about to pay the extra 90% tax on top of the 8% tax that you're gonna pay on your withdrawal. Okay, so that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Okay, so if you are interested in this project, all the links gonna be down in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.